What's going on, nation? ukvapeuk here and welcome. And today I bring you something that just launched in the UK. It's called the Mystment P1. Okay, still sealed thanks to the Royal Mail that I actually lost my first package, so they had to resend me. And this one was sent to me for the purpose of the review by Phoenix. Okay, here in the UK. Obviously, on behalf of Mystment, they sent me this. And what we're gonna do today, we're gonna just unbox it. It's kind of unusual here on the channel, but because I'm a bit late on this, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna put all the pods, everything in there, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna dive down. Okay, so here's the box, still sealed, the Mystment P1 rechargeable device. Come back to that in a second. Let's see what we got more in here. Okay, we got micro USB charge cable, not much going on there. Okay, so you just bring the device, no pods in there. Kind of shame. I wish they do a full kit. Gonna have a very nice. Oh, okay. Oh, I like that. Very nice. So you're gonna have your micro USB charging cable on the bottom. It has a 350 milliamp hour battery. Gonna have a nice LED there. Here, I'm not really sure if this is for turn it on and turn it off. Okay, we'll have a look at that in a second. Obviously, your pod's gonna fit in there. So they sent me also some of the pods. They are Nick salts. I'm pretty sure, maybe not. They are 20 milligram. It might even be not a normal one. You have mango, orange, and chilled mint. Oh, I think I go for the chilled mint. Okay, so now I'm inside the box. It's gonna have a lot of information. I like that. Obviously, all the warnings, a lot of information on the back, scratch authenticity code. Kind of like this. Look at that. Looks like a pack of chewing gum. So take one out. Oh, and they're gonna have also a user manual. So very nice. It smells like, honestly, like bubble gum. Ooh, I like that. So it's gonna have a protection on the bottom. Yeah. So you take that out. You're also gonna have this one right here that you take it out, so it comes well protected. That's nice. Actually, this is the mouthpiece, and here, as you can see, wow, a lot of protection. That's very nice. I like that. It's designed in San Francisco. Oh, okay. So oh, look at that. That's pretty innovative. Okay, so you pull it down. Okay, it's nice to go. You even can use your plug if you want to. When you're ready to go, pull it back, vape it, pull it back down. Wow, I like that. I really like that. Okay, so yeah, it's not much to cover here on the down, but obviously we're gonna come back on top. I'm gonna vape it, give you my first impressions, and maybe we run through some pros and cons. Alright, and we're back, and that was the up and close for the Mystment P1. So where you can get it in price? It's a lot of stores here in the UK that you can get them. Obviously I can't post links and I can't really mention, but I will try to put on my Instagram. You're gonna have a lot of stores that sell it, and it goes for about £20 just for the mod. They don't do a full kit. I wish they do a full kit, but they don't do a full kit, and you run out about £10 for for a pack of 3 pods, and they are 20 milligrams normal nicotine. Okay, so pros and cons. Now, first of all, this is badass. I like that. I really like that. 350 milliamp hours battery. I don't know how much. They say about 300 puffs. If it is a lot. So I'm not sure if it's 300 puffs per pod or per battery charge, but if it is per battery charge, it is a lot. The LED obviously is going to indicate how much battery you have in there, and when you inhale, it's draw activated, it's going to light up. Now, flavor on this is pretty damn cool. It's going to be a mouth to lung, okay? Even though it's 20 milligrams, the throw heat is not too strong. The flavor is pretty damn good. It's nice. A throw heat is nice, not too strong. I like it. Let's see if I can do a direct lung. Yeah, it's doable. Vapor production. Now, one of the cons has to be, I wish they do a full kit, because some people not gonna buy it. Sorry, gonna buy it, probably think it already has packs. Now I can understand because they're gonna have a lot of flavors like mint, tobacco, the mango orange they send me. They're gonna have a lot of flavors, so that gives the chance to the person to choose their own flavors, and it's gonna go for about £30. And listen, this to quit cigarettes, I think is the first step to go. And I like they don't put nic salts as well, because I think when a smoker quits cigarettes should go to normal nicotine, and then if they think it's not enough or if they want to be quicker, go to the nic salt. So I like that. I also love the fact this is badass. I really like that. I never saw that. I think it's pretty innovative. It's gonna make it smaller, put on your pocket when you're ready to go, pop it out, and it's gonna ready to be vaped. Now, can you vape it like that? Wait a second. Okay, so I think it also restricts the airflow a little bit. When you vape it down, I think it's a bit more tight. Yeah, it looks a little bit more tight, so you can vape it both ways. I like that. Listen, I really love this innovation on this pod. I like the rubberized finish on it. I think the construction looks good. It's a pretty nice, I think, aluminum in here. Has a nice battery charge. Not too many cons, to be honest. I mean, we know there's a lot of pod systems on the market. This one kind of gets there with a bit of innovation with this thing that I like it. I mean, for £30, I think it's definitely not bad. Definitely recommend if you're looking to quit cigarettes, or even if you look to just to have your nicotine delivery. If you're obvious vapor, you also can go for this one. This one is a very good one. I like it. Very simple, not a lot of branding. Comes with a lot of protection, very nice presentation box, definitely recommend. So if you want to get one, search on Google, you're definitely going to find it by Mystment P1. Yeah, really love this bad boy. So we're going to wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next time. Till then, keep vaping.